So we're going to be using my favorite brand of flour. Ooh, I have to turn this. The recipe I'll be giving today is for just 30 to 35 pieces of puff puff, depending on how you like the sizes to be. So we'll start with 3 cups of flour. I'm making more than 30 pieces of puff puff, so I'll be doubling my measurements, actually tripling. So I have 12 cups of flour here, and then we're going to put 2 cups of sugar. So this is the yeast I use for my puff puff, okay? It's the same thing. Just because it's easier to get from here. And then we add nutmeg. I'll be putting 1 teaspoon here. And then we'll go ahead and mix this up. Warm water.
This seems like the creek, right? Is it muddy? I don't want to get this thing stuck. I mean, we know that this thing doesn't really get stuck. Okay, so it's not muddy? Okay. You think like that person over there? Okay. Let's go that way and then, okay, we're going to grab.
Chicken popcorn. Why open it? I'm using like. Da-dum.